All right, checking the Jandy, the ignition fault settings or steps, and pull the igniter, and it's got a crack in it. So that looks to be the problem. This is the Jandy 400,000 BTU heater, and so the igniter is right here, and I just pulled that out from the, just took the two screws out, and yeah, just pulled it out, and it's got a crack in it. So that seems to be the problem. All right, we're going to do a continuity test on the igniter here, on there, and there's no continuity. All right, as you can see, this one is broken right here. The new part is the R0457502 igniter kit. So there's the new one, not broken. So should be able to pop that in there right there. All right, the new kit comes with a little gasket here, and then some replacement screws and nuts and washers. So that's it. All right, we got the new gasket in there, and now to fit this one here. Perfect. Now to put the washers on. Okay, as you can see, we got the connectors back on, and we got this tightened down, not too much, don't want to break the, looks like it's a ceramic base there, but all right, we'll put the covers back on and tighten her up.